So hey everyone, today we are going to discuss about Shopify free trial with Walmart. Basically, Shopify is collaborating with Walmart to get their sales on next level. So here we are discussing who is partner with Walmart, specifically Shopify, the Walmart partner. Walmart is partnering with Instacart to offer the same-day delivery starting in few US market and making it latest major grocery chain to team up. So Shopify basically expanding their business. So how do we get link to Shopify? So this is also a e-commerce platform, as you can see. So if you want to join Walmart with Shopify, so you can just link it through this. So does Walmart run by Shopify? Walmart this morning announced a new partnership with e-commerce shopping platform Shopify, now used by over 1 million businesses. And open Walmart marketplace to Shopify is small business seller with the goal of bringing 1,200 Shopify seller to market this year. Can I dropship Walmart to Shopify? Yes, you can. To dropship Walmart with Shopify, here is it. If you want to dropship Walmart with Shopify, you need an app like Amazon Dropshipper plus Walmart to get started. App like those allow you to import product to your Shopify store, so you can then sell through both Shopify and Walmart depending on your business's tools and goals. So who is the biggest competitor of Shopify? Big e-commerce is Shopify best competitor due to its high huge range to power sale features, while Evolutions offers great analytics for tracking your store data. E-commerce is self-hosted, which brings technical challenge but gives you more control. So Shopify become the #1 best marketplace in the world for online selling, and you can use it to generate your more sales, and you can use it for your productivities.